yourself?
Awesome. My apologies, brother. It got crazy. I had a guy who had something due today. He's out in Seattle, so man, I kind of got him. I had to sneak him in because it was due today. State your city and state for me.
Brooklyn, New York.
Of course. Brooklyn, New York. It is 5:19 p.m. and it is August 26th. How'd you hear about us?
YouTube.
My man. Okay. All right. I know where we at. Where you want to jump at first? Where do you want to jump on first? And I'm gonna tell you what I think we should jump on first, but I want to hear where your mind is first.
I think we should probably jump on the child support first because that's shorter and easier.
Oh, okay. What's the deal with child support?
Well, apparently, miraculously, they decided to put it in order all of a sudden, right? Mm-hmm. We were last in court almost a year ago. I get the email notification today that the magistrate decided to finalize the order.
Mm-hmm. The reason why everything is getting finalized is because they two things are happening. I know how you feel. You're kind of feeling like, they kind of busting you open and they doing all this stuff. That's one way to look at it, but the other way to look at it is the federal courts are involved now. You may not like the attention to detail, but they were lacking. And what you showed is you showed them that they have to tighten up. Now, as long as we start playing on this playing field, I hope you don't mind them throwing out the motions. Okay, cool. If you threw them out, said they was lacking evidence, we can get evidence. Just know you said that before they were lacking evidence. So, but I'm going to ask you a question because I didn't want to ask you this yesterday. He threw your motions out because they was lacking evidence, correct?
Correct.
What about the motion that the lady filed? Hold on. What about the motion that was filed against you stating that you went there and lied? What about that one?
No, there was no evidence. But what happened was he didn't throw it out and I had...
Hold on. It wasn't no evidence, but I'm asking you, was it thrown out like yours was?
No.
How do you feel about that?
I expected it.
Hold on. No, there's no expected it because here's what I'm getting you. I'm trying to get you to compare and contrast. If he threw yours out for lack of evidence, but you went to court because he allowed hers, you don't see the difference in that? There's this. He should have threw her motion out too.
No, they didn't throw mine out for lack of evidence. What they were trying to say was, the lie that he wrote in there was that I never served her.
Oh, so the motion that we filed. Okay, so the motion that we filed for 50-50 legal, the one that we filed for perjury, they wasn't thrown out for lack of evidence. You saying they were thrown out?
No.
They were thrown out because you didn't serve her.
That's what they tried to say.
Oh,
what happened was
did you serve her?
Yeah, I did. And the affidavit of service. So the clerk got a copy, and the judge's secretary got a copy. Right. So when I went there today, I went and had them printed out. Apparently, it's on the file, but they never filed it. So that was done on purpose. The fact that I gave
no, sir. Hold on, brother. So we glad it was done on purpose. So we can file an ethics violation that in fact the judge himself lied. This is what we proven. This is what's going on in his courtroom. It don't matter if they did not. The fact that you did everything that was supposed to be done, and they're saying that you didn't do it to throw your stuff out. We don't care if it was an oversight. We want that judge to get roasted. That's what we want. All right. So Okay. So let's deal with the child support. Let me look over that. Then we'll get that thing We'll get that thing going, and you'll put in the consultation for tomorrow, and we'll handle what I just told you. We'll handle that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
We'll get a motion drafted up. We'll get some. I'll do it like I do overnight. I'll just send me the stuff, and I'll put it. It'll be in your email in the morning. But stand by. Let me set up, and so we can get you some stuff drafted up.
Okay. So you gonna call me back? Or you
no. Just hold on a second. Hold on. Just hold on a second.
Yeah.
That's what it gets down to, y'all. See, this is what be happening to y'all. Y'all be getting y'all just handed to y'all, but y'all don't do nothing. We love it. We filed a federal charge against the judge. Now everything is happening. The judge threw out all his motion for perjury, but yet there was an attorney that filed that he was an angry black man, went to the school. The judge heard that one and all this stuff, and he's saying, "Oh no, he did have her served. Now we just gonna hang the judge." That's what it gets down to, and we're gonna ask that all of these things get put on the judge's calendar. You got to know what you're doing. 732-875-9111.